Hey besties, it's your girl Destiny, and I'm back with another video. So if you want to learn how to make these McDonald's better than McDonald's chicken nuggets, look at those golden crispy chicken nuggets, then stay tuned and I'll show you how. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, first you want to wash your hands, not the chicken, so make sure you wash your hands. If you have ground chicken, you don't have to wash it. Okay, so then you take your chicken out of the package and you're going to season it. So season it however you like, but I use whatever I had in the cabinet. Season all, salt, pepper, chicken bouillon. I don't know, just throw whatever you like in there. Then you're going to take your chicken and you're going to make it, lay it out in a pan in equal sizes. So I took a little spoon so I can make sure the sizes were equal or kind of the same. So you take them out of the pan and put them on, take them out of the bowl and put them onto the pan, and then smash them until they look like those little chicken nuggets you see at McDonald's. So here's the next step. You're gonna, wait, stop. Stop, wait. Okay, so you're going to take those chicken nuggets that you smashed and you're going to freeze them for 2 hours in the freezer. Okay, so these are the ingredients right here for your dry ingredients. Flour, sugar, barbecue, bouillon, cornstarch, pepper, cinnamon, turmeric, pepper, and cayenne. And these are the ingredients for your wet ingredients. Sugar, 2 eggs, soy sauce, cornstarch, salt, and a cup of water. And those are the frozen or semi-frozen chicken nuggets. So here's another video of the wet ingredients. I forgot the flour. So you're going to mix all those wet ingredients together and it's going to look like this. I'll have the exact measurements in the description below. So after you mix them together, then you're going to put your frozen nuggets in the dry rub, then the wet rub, and then the dry rub, and then the wet rub. So dry, wet, and then you're going to put... So next, you're going to put those chicken nuggets into the freezer again. And your hands are going to look messy like this, so don't expect to stay clean. So you put them in the freezer again for about an hour or two. These things take forever to freeze. So I suggest you make a lot in the batch. And then for the ones that you don't cook, just refreeze them. Just put them back in the freezer. So mine, I couldn't wait for it to freeze. So I only freeze it for like maybe 40 minutes or 30 minutes. So mine were kind of like sticky. So whenever you fry them like that, they stick to the bottom of the fryer. But anyway, so after you freeze them, you pop them in the deep fryer and fry them for about 5 minutes and flip them over and fry them for about 1 more minute. They're going to come out like this. Crispy chicken nuggets. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.